The WR54-1236BK Wire Shelf Kit from Quantum Storage Systems offers robust all-welded wire shelving with extra wire trussing for enhanced strength, making it perfect for a variety of storage needs. Designed for heavy-duty applications, each shelf in the kit can support up to 800 pounds, ensuring secure and stable storage solutions. The shelves provide great versatility as they can be adjusted into right angles, straight lines, or back-to-back configurations when paired with an add-on unit. Included in the starter kit are 4 posts and either 4 or 5 shelves, with the option to purchase additional shelves separately for expanded storage capacity. This shelving kit is available in multiple finishes, including black epoxy, which not only adds aesthetic appeal, but also suits diverse environments. The product is certified by the National Sanitation Foundation for use in wet and humid areas, guaranteeing durability and maintaining hygiene standards.